I love pizzas, I love to binge watch, and I love some me time where I do self-care. And for that, I wait for weekends because weekends are fun and that's when you can give dedicated time to pamper yourself and take good care of yourself. And my self-care is an elaborated routine where I take good care of my skin, my hair, my body, every single thing. So I'm gonna take you through my weekend care routine. So let's get started. I usually start with my skincare first, and the first product that I begin with is a Dega Rose Scrub. This is very mild rose scrub. It melts into the skin and deeply and gently exfoliate all sort of dead and dry skin from the face and gives a very smooth, bright and fresh skin. This scrub is formulated with some really amazing ingredients like rose petals, lotus petals, beetroot extracts, aloe vera powder and rice flour. And to use it, I wet my skin and then I scrub it over the face, leave it on for 60 seconds and then I rinse it off. After exfoliation, I proceed with the second step, which is using a face pack. So I use this orange and almond face pack from Dega. This face pack is perfect to sort of remove this pigmentation and tanning from your face, which is really important. Like throughout the week you are going out and working a lot, and during the weekends you need that time wherein you can reduce that pigmentation and that sun exposure and the tan from your face. This face pack is made up of 100% natural and organic ingredients like orange pulp extracts and almond extracts, which helps in enhancing skin texture and boosting the natural glow. To use this face pack, I take some amount and add some toner. I prefer using a rose water and then I mix it well and make a paste. Then I apply the thin layer on my skin, let it dry and then I remove it after 10 to 15 minutes. After using the face pack, I proceed with the toner, and for that I use this Dega Rose Water. This is a rich floral blend which helps in hydrating and restoring the pH balance of my skin. To use this toner, I spray it directly on the face and pat it dry. After finishing up my skincare, I proceed with my foot care, and the first product that I include in my foot care is using crystals, and for that I use this Dega Lime and Peppermint Foot Crystals. So these are really nice and helps in relaxing my veins and also improves the blood circulation, and at the same time it also exfoliates the dead and dry skin from my feet. And to use the crystals, I take 2 spoons of the crystal and I mix it in a tub of lukewarm water, and then I gently soak my feet and I relax for 10-15 minutes. After using the foot crystals, I complete my foot care by using this foot scrub from Dega. This is a perfect scrub to exfoliate the dead and dry skin, and it also helps in bringing out the smooth and radiant appearance on my feet. I just scoop some amount of the scrub and then I scrub it with granules in circular motion for 5-7 minutes and then I wash it off. And the last step in my weekend care routine is using a hair oil, because hair champi is something we all love and it's very important to take good care of our hair health. And for that I use this Bringraj Deep Hair Treatment Oil from Dega. This oil moisturizes my scalp and also helps in strengthening the root of my hair. It also has antibacterial properties which help in fighting against the scalp infections. So apart from this, it also has many other benefits, like it helps in cooling down the temperature of body, it helps in delaying the graying of hair, it is perfect to release all sort of stress and hypertension, it brings the smoothness and shine to the hair, and it is perfect for the people who catch cold and have sinus problem. So it's a perfect treat for your weekend. I use the hair root applicator to apply the oil directly on the scalp and massage the scalp to boost the blood circulation, and then I leave it overnight and wash it off the next morning. This was my weekend care routine, which is quite elaborated and helps in taking good care of my each and every body part which needs that extra dedication. And I would definitely recommend you to indulge in some good self-care and pamper yourself during the weekend, because that's the time when you can, rejuvenate and relax and get ready for the coming weeks. And that's why I would recommend you to try it out.